Welcome to Shayanita's engaging classroom where learning meets fun. So, two things. First of all, you might hear that my voice is a bit sore. You need to manage with that because the problem is I would have waited, but 1 week was getting over and I couldn't break my promise. So, anyways, this is the fourth video in the Google Slides series. We are working on a beautiful presentation and we're hoping to finish it by the end of this series. Today we are going to be trying to insert video, audio, comments, side numbers, etc. So, how'd you do it? If you haven't checked out my last videos in the same series, please do, because you need to know that first before you learn this. Anyways, so if you see on your screen, this is the Google Slides open. If you don't know how to open the Google Slides, check out my first video. Okay, so Google Slides is open on my laptop on the screen right now. So if I see there's a title here and then below there's a number of tabs, and I go and select an insert. Now it shows me a list of options. I tried out all the options so good art. So today we're gonna try inserting video, audio, command, side numbers, etc. So if I go to video, so I've opened a new site down there. So okay, I cannot search it up. If you can see, I pause the video and search it up. I get a series, so I show you how I search it up. So basically, show it to you. You go to insert, click on video. You can choose a video from Google Drive or from YouTube. And then I search all of YouTube videos. So I go and control V and then enter. And then I get a very list of like I copy and pasted the name. You can write it down, no problem. If you go down, I get a number of videos and I can choose one of them. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And then I click on, I can't select two, I have to select one. And then I click on insert and then it's going to create the video and down it goes. I can make it a bit bigger or something, yeah. And now I can change how I'm gonna play it. Play it automatically. Suppose I do it. And then when do I want to start it? When do I want to end it? Then do I want to move the audio or do you want to keep the audio? And then I can also put size and rotation. I can rotate it and etc. I can position it. Etc. I can drop a shadow. So suppose blur the radius, there's a shadow around it, and then if I'm still there, and I can also go to old text, and then I can. This is my description because this is the description of video, so I can change it, and then advanced options I can add a title. So anyways, that's that, and then next we're gonna check an audio. So how do I do an audio? So basically in an audio it lets me choose from my Google Drive, or I can put in a URL audio. I don't have any audio in Google Drive, but if you do, then no problem, you can paste that. Right, next, I am going to check out comment. How do I comment? So if I share, suppose if I share this site with my own Gmail ID, for example, so I'm sharing it with them and then sending it to them. Okay, yeah, And then if I go to insert again, go to command, I can put add the red and then have a long set of people, and then I can also assign it, and then here I can put change the title, for example. Then I'm assigning it, and then let me open it from my other Gmail ID. Okay, now I open it from my other Gmail ID, and then if I go to comments from here, where are the comments now? Okay, wait, yeah, so if I go to comments here, I can see I have been assigned this, and then I can mark as done it. So that means I did this thing. So let me change back to my Gmail ID now. Yeah. So did you see it, how it works? You can make a presentation with your friends or something, and then yeah. And then you can send command to each other. Okay, next is new slide. I click on it, a new slide comes up. Very, very simple. Next is slide numbers. Now, do I want to skip title slides? Yes, obviously. And I am owning it, so I'm gonna apply to selected. So here we have, there's no space to put. So since I had this selected, now I can move it up, down, or I can even change, like make it white. Let me show you. I can even make it white if I wanted to actually. And then here, or if I go to insert and actually click on slide numbers and then I apply it to all, then all of them is going to get that instead of just one of them. But yes, so, and I can change the colors. If I go there, put my arrow down here, it's going to select them all, and then if I go backspace, I go and select a color and then 2, so here we go. I can change a few number of colors and stuff and all those different things, which I showed you in my previous videos, in my second video actually. So we have officially, I'm going to put it in the middle so it's official, we have officially learned the total insert time. I hope to meet you in the next video, and I'll soon enough finish the series. Encourage your loved ones, your friends, your family to learn something new, because it's going to actually help them in life. So anyways, thank you for joining me today. It was wonderful to see you, and Christmas is coming soon. Enjoy. Ta-da. Bye-bye. See you next week. Thank you.